The thing is, though, the proposals from the beginning have been complicated and widespread. They're very comprehensive because there's a lot to deal with. The House has done a number of smaller bills, but they probably add up to about the same volume. So there's a lot there. I think we'll probably get 60 or 70% of what we need by the time we're done, which compared to where we are with the present system is a huge improvement. Well, the real limits to what we can do about too big to fail. I think the bill has the right approach given what we can actually do, by which I mean our country needs a small number at least of very large institutions to compete on a global scale across the huge range of products with sufficient scale in each product.